Okay, so we continue biology form 4, chapter 9, 9.3 absorption. Okay, so after digestion, okay, the next process is absorption. Okay, the adaptations of ileum and villus in the absorptions of digested food. Okay, the digested food, the simple molecule produced from digested food are absorbed in the ileum of our small intestine. So this is our ileum. Okay, ileum. The long ileum is adapted to absorb nutrient because its internal layer is folded and also covered with tiny projection called villi ataupun singular villus. Okay. Satu, ileum long. Second, covered by villi. Okay, and then the internal layer is folded. Okay, villus. Okay, look at this diagram here. This is villus. Kita ada blood capillary surround, lacteal di tengah-tengah, and di sini kita ada epithelial cell, and then dia surround by blood capillary, and di bawah di sini ada lymph vessel. Okay, so villus, the epithelial layer of the villus is only 1 cell thick, so this will help the nutrient absorption. And then the goblet cell, sini goblet cell, will secrete mucus to aid digestion. The network of blood capillary will help to transport digestive product to the whole body, and lacteal yang di tengah-tengah ini carry droplets of fatty acid and glycerol. The intestinal gland will secrete intestinal juices, okay, that have digestive enzyme. So microvillus ini adalah yang di atas itu villus On the surface of the villus, there are many tiny projection called microvillus. So microvillus ini dia akan provide large surface area to increase the rate of nutrient absorption. Okay. Okay. Sini ya. Ini ileum. Ileum long, internal layer dia folded and dia ada covered by villi. Okay, this one is ileum. And then this is the villus atau villi lah, plural villi. So di sini kita ada epithelial cell, blood capillary, lacteal, lymph vessel. So this one is the microvillus to increase the surface area to increase the rate of absorption. Okay. So this is absorptions of digested food. This is villus. So yang di surround dia itu, this is epithelial cell, only 1 cell thick. Tengah-tengah yang warna hijau ini lacteal. Okay, and then surrounded by blood capillary. Okay. So di sinilah glucose, amino acid. So kalau kita lihat apa yang masuk melalui lacteal yang warna hijau adalah the glycerol, the fatty acid, lipid lah kan, lipid. Dia akan diangkut di lacteal. Okay, so method of food absorption in the ileum. Digested food, fructose, dia akan absorb through epithelial cell into blood capillary, and method of absorption, facilitated diffusion. Glucose and galactose, also through epithelial cell, and method dia active transport. Amino acid, also through epithelial cell, active transport. Vitamin B, vitamin C, okay, epithelial cell into blood capillary, and then absorbed with water. And water, dia by absorption and through epithelial cell into blood capillary. Okay, yang ini adalah melalui lacteal lah. Dari epithelial cell into lacteal. Okay, So, dia punya method of absorption adalah simple diffusion. So, first one, fatty acid glycerol. Dia recombine through the condensation process of to form tiny droplets of lipid. So, ini adalah melalui epithelial cell into the lacteal. Okay, simple diffusion only. Same as vitamin A, D, E, and K. Dia dissolve in the lipid. So, from epithelial cell into the lacteal by simple diffusion method. So, after absorption is assimilation. So, what is assimilation? Assimilation is the process where the nutrient absorbed are used to form complex compound. Okay? Maksudnya, mula-mula sekali kita cerna, digest. Selepas digest, kita absorb. Selepas absorb, kita assimilate. Assimilation, maksudnya kita guna apa yang kita sudah serap atau absorb itu. Okay? So, the blood capillary in the small intestine combine to form hepatic portal vein that transport blood into the liver. And lacteal, dia akan form thoracic duct, lymph vessel in the lymphatic system. Okay, so functions of liver in the assimilations of digested food. So ini adalah functions of liver. Metabolism of digested food. Glucose is used for cellular respiration. Amino acid are used for synthesizing plasma protein and enzyme. And through the deamination process, excess amino acid are turned into urea to be excreted through urine. Okay, itu adalah yang pertama. Kemudian detoxification. Liver cell will expel toxic substance from the blood. Toxic substance are expelled through our urine. And then the third one, storage of nutrient. Excess glucose is converted to glycogen to be stored. Oh, ini normal liver. Yang ini dia tidak, bukan normal lah. Okay. Cirrhosis patient punya liver. Okay. Assimilation process in the liver. So, kita ada assimilation process in the liver and assimilation process in cell. So, assimilation process in the liver, amino acid, okay, if this is our small intestine, ni small intestine kita, small intestine, the liver, this one is our liver, liver synthesize plasma protein and enzyme from amino acid. Okay, from amino acid. Dia akan synthesize plasma, protein and enzyme. Excess amino acid cannot be stored in the body, and so they are broken down through the process of deamination. Okay, in the form of urea, and dia akan expel lah, dikumuhkan, excreted by our kidney. So, when the glucose supply is insufficient, the liver will convert the amino acid into glucose. Okay, so itu yang pertama, amino acid. How about glucose? Glucose in the liver is used for cell respiration. Okay, cell respiration required by our body cell. And the excess of glucose will be converted into glycogen and stored in the liver. So when the glucose level in the blood decrease, the body need energy, so the glycogen is converted again into glucose. So when the glycogen supply reach the maximum level, the excess glucose is converted into fat. Okay? Assimilation process in cell. Amino acid. Amino acid used to synthesize new protoplasm and also to repair damaged tissue. Amino acid used to synthesize hormone and enzyme. Glucose is oxidized through cell respiration to release energy, water, and carbon dioxide. Excess glucose is converted as glycogen in our muscle. Energy is used for cell processes such as protein synthesis. Okay, the third one, lipid. Lipids such as phospholipid and cholesterol are the primary component that build the plasma membrane. Okay, plasma membrane. Excess fat that are kept in adipose tissue. Excess fat kept in adipose tissue found underneath the skin as stored energy. Fat is oxidized to release energy when there is insufficient glucose. Alright, thank you.